Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to enable Steam Family Sharing. To enable Steam Family Sharing, follow these easy steps. Open Steam. Launch the Steam client on your Windows PC. Log into your account. Sign in with a Steam account that owns the games you want to share. Go to Steam Settings. Click on Steam in the top left corner and choose Settings. Enable Steam Guard Security. Navigate to Security and ensure Steam Guard is enabled. You can use your email to verify your account for extra security. Create a Steam family. Go to the Family tab and click Create or join Steam family. Select Create a family. Enter a family name and click Create. Invite a member. Click Invite a member and choose Search a friend. Find your friend's profile and send an invite. Choose Invite as an adult. Sign out of the owner's account. Click Steam and then click Sign Out to log out the game owner. New member accepts the invite. The invited member logs in to their Steam account on the same PC or laptop. Click on the notification bell and choose the invite notification message. Click Accept, then Confirm. On the Steam mobile app, confirm the invite by clicking Join. Once done, the new user can access and play the shared games from the owner's library. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.